Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard, and today we are making charcoal. Okay, I just wanted to give you a couple simple how-tos. We have made charcoal for, I don't know, maybe a dozen years, and I almost always cook on my own charcoal. Of course, I do have a couple advantages. I have access to some of the finest hardwoods in the world, and today what we're doing is we're making hickory charcoal. Now, why would I actually be wood specific? Sometimes, this is a little redneck here. We are a little undercooked on a piece or two, and it will smoke. So you get the hickory smoke, the hickory flavor right from the charcoal, which I find fantastic. So we have a whole system of doing it. We just go by 55-gallon drums. We fill the drums with chunks, and we have some in here. This is getting pretty low. This is all hickory here. So some of my spare time in the evening or whatever, I'll knock those down to that size, split them down real tight, and then what we do is we take this drum and we put it in our solar kiln and dry the charcoal or the wood chunks as best as possible. Now, there's one real simple technique that I found that will allow you guys to make charcoal literally in about an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half. In these drums here, we have two smaller drums. I think they're, boy, I don't remember. I think they're 22 or 25-gallon drums. I don't know the exact size, but it's like a grease barrel drum. So what I do is I take the chunks then and put that in those small drums in the 55-gallon drum, and then we fill, I'm not going to be able to touch this, it's very hot. We fill around the drum, and we're going to go up above and get a shot so you can see down in exactly, and then we light that on fire. And I create a little burn area here so we could use up some of our scrap wood. It allows us to also heat the barrels from underneath, which accelerates the speed. You could do that by taking, literally you could take cinder blocks or something and just get the barrels up. You just want to make sure they don't tip over, of course. The key to making charcoal is so simple. You have to get the product up to about 600 degrees. You have to hold it there. It doesn't have to be held there for very long, and it will go to carbon at that point. The primary thing that you have to understand is you have to keep oxygen from getting to it. So we're going to go up above. I want you to see looking down on the barrels so you can see exactly what I'm doing, because it's going to be so simple and it's such a fun thing to do. And I will tell you this, the product that you can make in your backyard is 10 times better than anything you can buy at the store, and it is completely satisfying. So I love doing it. And Emerald and Jade and I we're soaked. It's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna have the girls wrap up. They need to get home and get changed. I'm gonna have lunch down here because this place is hot and dry. Then I have some firewood deliveries to do. But before that, let's go up above and take a look. I want to make a few more comments up there and show you exactly what's going on. You'll completely understand the process. You'll be able to make your own charcoal. Okay, so you can see we're up above looking down on the barrels. Hopefully this is showing up good on the video. So you can see we have the two smaller barrels and the bigger barrels. Now, I don't know if this can get captured on camera, but what's happening is we have three little slits that we just took a grinder and and ground them into the center of the cover. And there is actually fire coming out of that. That doesn't mean the charcoal is on fire inside there. That is off-gassing. And on this barrel, we can see that fire is actually coming out from around the ring. And again, this is off-gassing. So when you start to see that coming off, that you're actually burning the gases and your wood is going to carbon inside. So that's how we know that we have actually made charcoal. Now it can catch on fire. You can't actually get it caught on fire. So I keep the lids to the 55-gallon drums here. And I am, as soon as the video's over, I'm gonna knock that wood down that's sticking up, and I'm gonna throw those covers over the 55-gallon drums, and I'm actually gonna snuff the fire. So it can remain hot, it can still off gas, the fire is going underneath, but we're actually gonna snuff the fire itself by, restricting the oxygen. So within, 7-minute, 8-minute video here, I told you all the secrets on how to make your own backyard charcoal and have the best barbecue that you could possibly have. And I know it tastes better. I can testify to it over 12 years of just loving the barbecue. This is what really makes your food taste a lot better. So happy Thanksgiving coming up. Maybe you're gonna barbecue. I know I am. And have a good weekend. We'll see you next week.
Looking for rough cut lumber for your next project? Look no further. Here at Lumber Capital Log Yard, we specialize in rough cut hemlock, which is bug and rot resistant, perfect for any outdoor project, and at a price that you can afford. Stop in today or call 570-651-3442.